You know it's gonna be a good tutorial when you start out in the bathroom.
I've been kind of scared to make this video. I've been putting it off for a long time because there's so much good information that I need to share with you, but I really don't want to screw it up because drawing a face from any angle. How cool is that in one video? So I really can't screw this up, but man, I'm just gonna take a deep breath. I'm just gonna do it because I need you to see this. All right, so let's grab a really, really high quality, expensive paper here. Come on, man, get out of here.
Yeah. You know it's good when it can slide.
First, what we need to do is pick a really nice pencil to go with our really nice paper. Oh no, what happened? It got wrinkled. How did that happen? There we go. Beautiful. Which one should we use, huh? They're all so beautiful. Okay, plugged in my phone so it won't die on me. Oh, Fran's bread pencil. Do you like dough conditioner that's banned in other countries? So do I. That's why I always eat Fran's bread. Oh, Moose Lake, Minnesota. Yes, you are gorgeous, girl. I wonder if the eraser... Ow. You come out when I say you come out. Okay, well, I think I actually put the pencil back. I don't know where it went. Oh, found it. This is very important. This is something that only the professionals do, okay? You gotta understand this. This is the one super important part. You take this and you just gotta sharpen it right onto your paper. It's working. Get down to business, baby. Aha, yes. Oh no, come on, don't tell me. Ow, ow! Oh my god! Oh my god! I got it in my eye. I actually got it in my eye. I gotta go to the bathroom and get it out. I hit the pencil on the paper. I threw it on the paper, and now I'm gonna wash my eye with water. This is like the eye rinse that you have in school for if you get chemicals in your eyes. Oh, that's the scariest thing ever. Putting your open eyes and running water. This is gonna be a good tutorial. It feels like it's still there. Ow, yes, ow. I'm 100% sure it's still in my eye. When you're in the jungle and you don't have any food and you gotta improvise and you have a parasite in your eye and you have to dig it out. That's this right now. Got it. Oh, is that it? I got it. Well, that's part of it. I'll get the rest out too. Here we go. It's my punishment for putting off this tutorial for so long.
You know it's gonna be a good tutorial when you start out in the bathroom.
Let's do it. Oh, hey. Oh, good. Let's do this. My hands are shaking right now. I just dug something out of my eye. I was not expecting that to happen. See that? It makes it bounce and I just threw it. Okay, yes. This is why you always sharpen your pencils onto the paper so that you can avoid mistakes like that. This isn't working. Come on, give me another pencil. Happy birthday. Yeah, there we go. Happy birthday. I just gave birth through my eye. I gotta calm down. I'm shaking. You could do this. Why don't they call white people colored people? I don't understand why they call black people colored people. Look. You know how many colors are just in my hands alone? I got green right there, I got white, I got red, I got purple. I'm like a rainbow. I'm multicolored, baby. All right, let's draw something. In this week's drawing tutorial, we're digging things out of my eye. Excuse me, sir. Okay, so first, you obviously gotta start with a potato. That's the one thing that you have to understand, okay? You always start with a potato in this. Every single face. All of these that I'm drawing, they all start with a potato, okay? Watch this. So we're gonna have this potato as reference in the corner. Oh man, I can't even draw a freaking potato. I just scratched my desk. Wow, this is going good. Okay, we can do this. Come on, man, you and me. Slowly now. Oh man, my hand's so shaky. This is the worst way to start out a tutorial. Okay, so you got your potato. We can give it a little bit of texture too. I need to calm down. You're gonna take that. That was supposed that's supposed to be an arrow. Hold on. Oh man. I'm gonna push through it, I promise. Okay. That's not what I meant to do. Give me an eraser, Mr. Man. Here we go, this is good. Does it, it has a hole in it. Oh, look at this. Here, let's draw a little smiley face here. Hello. Okay, so let's erase that. There we go. Okay. All right, so let's start with a really nice potato. Yes, that's better. Okay, here's the basic facial proportions, okay? The one line that you're always gonna start with is the eye line. This one's gonna be facing straight at you, okay? So the eye line is gonna go in the middle. Next line after that is gonna be halfway down. Wait, Mom. Pause the video. You gotta congratulate this week's comment game winners.
Comment game?
Yeah, comment game winners.
Congratulations! Yay!
Do you know what that is?
No.
Halfway down again, and then if you divide the face in half, that's the center line, okay? And then from there, you can draw your little eyes right in the middle of that little section. Draw your little nosy thing, and draw your mouth. And then your ears go in between your eyes and your nose. Boom, boom, ba-ta-ka-ta. Then you, right where the eyes go is where the neck connects to the head. And then, wha-bam! And you can do like a little hairline or whatever, right? Boom, give her like a little bun. It's a girl now, and eyebrows. Perfect. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that gorgeous drawing. Beautiful, lady. Next one after that we're gonna do is 3/4 view. So we're gonna start with that potato again. This time we're gonna keep it straight on. So we're gonna turn the face sideways, but it's gonna be straight on. Let me get closer. You couldn't even see that last one. Jeez, man. This time I'm gonna draw little eyeballs to the side. One of them's gonna be touching there. Next one's gonna be right here, and then the mouth is gonna go ka-tu-ka-pa-ka. Now, this is the key part. This is gonna be a big thing that you're gonna wanna keep in mind for all of these drawings. You're gonna make a little wedge where the eye is, and then bring it down, going around to the chin, whatever, okay? And then you can also bump out the head a little bit because it's turning sideways, and I'll show you the side view later, but the side view is crazy. I'll show you something weird about your head that you didn't even know. We'll give her some eyebrows, and the ear goes between the nose and the eyes again. But with this one, you can draw the neck kind of off to the side, coming down from the ear. Pa-town, bam! Oh my God, so beautiful. Let's give her a little bun in her head. Oh my God, that's the most gorgeous woman I've ever seen in my entire life. Lady, you single? Let's give her a little heart. Oh, she gorgeous. Okay, next one after that is gonna be the side view. This is the thing that I'm gonna show you about your head that you didn't even know. I feel like there's a glare coming off of this. Maybe if no, I feel like that just makes everything worse. Okay, here's the thing that you didn't know about your head. So you start with that potato shape, right? You're gonna take that same potato shape, copy and paste it right here, and then rotate it that way, okay? So this is what it's gonna look like. So you got two little squiggly potatoes. Oh, crap. And this is essentially the shape that you get. Now, you'll notice that this line goes about halfway. So that's gonna be your eye line, nose line, mouth line, just like that. Okay, same proportions, start with half, and then half, and then break that, it's half again. This time, we're going to do that same wedge right here, but we're gonna bring it out to a nose. Give a little bump to indicate the mouth, and then another little bump to indicate the chin. You can have kind of like a little bit of an angle going that way, so it's not straight up and down, but you don't want the chin to be like super far that way or that way. Sometimes you just gotta kind of mess with it. Then you can bring it up along this oval, and right where these two places connect, ba-boom, there's the ear. Gorgeous. For the eye, you can just do a little, the less than 3 or whatever. It's that same thing for the eye, all right? And then you can give her like little eyebrows or whatever, all right? And then just kind of smooth everything out. Give this lady a mouth, maybe a little piku-tu-ku-tu. And boom, gosh, she's so gorgeous. You can give her some hair. And then right here, right where her head connects to the rest of it, you're gonna make the neck go at an angle. So it's gonna go away from the rest of the head. It's not gonna go straight down. She'll look freaky if you do that. And then with the shirt, it's always higher at the back. If you notice, when you hold a shirt up, shirts look like this, right? That's because you can see the back of the shirt, and that's because the shirt is taller in the back, okay? So you got that. Now, what do you want to do if you want to do this, but from the back? Well, you start with that same silhouette. So we'll start with this. Oh man, that's so bad. Start with this little potato. Oh man, you are gorgeous, lady. Now what we can do, bump it out to the side a little bit, right? Now watch this. Right where the eye line would be, just do a little indentation. This is where the magic happens, okay? Draw a little ear, and the ear is gonna be shaped like that. That's literally all you do, okay? Draw that little ear, and then do the neck coming down, meeting that little bulbous thing down here, and then the shoulders. Now, it looks a little bit strange, but watch this. Once you erase some of the guidelines and stuff, add hair, all that stuff, oh man, it looks like a beautiful human person head. All right, and then if you add like a bun to it, add the rest of the hair. Come on, man. I don't got time for this. I gotta make this a quick tutorial. It's basically this, plus a little bumpy thing, and then you gotta do that V-shaped thing. From the back, start with that potato. Draw a little necky thing going down. Give her some ears that stick out. And then you can give her a volume for the hair. That's basically it, man. See, these are not the most beautiful drawings in the entire world, but you could take this and make a beautiful sketch on top of this. Now, there is something else that we can do. Ready? There's some crazy things that we can do. One of them is tilting the head up and down. So you have that first head where the guidelines are in the eye guideline is in the middle. So now what we're gonna do, so we have the eye guideline in the middle. We'll put the eye guideline on the top, and we'll put the eye guideline on the bottom over here. Now watch this, ready? So we'll draw some eyes. Gorgeous, right? Face facing you. This one, draw the eyes up here. The eyebrows are gonna go more, what's it called? Up. Because you're, here, let me show you something, okay? Here. Ah! So I'm pretty much looking straight at you right now. When I look up, you can see this part of my eyes, right? When I look down, see if I can do this. When I look down, my eyebrows are kind of covering my eyes, right? And when I look up, you can see like all of this part. So that's what you're gonna concentrate on. The weird thing about the nose is, it's not gonna be a shape like, it's not gonna be like a shape like that. It's gonna be that, okay? So you're gonna draw the nose like that, and then maybe the mouth up here. And then the ears will go from the nose down to about the mouth, and then the neck will come over here, and the shoulders will be a lot slopier. That doesn't make any sense. Slopier? What does that even mean? This one, eyes are gonna be right here on that eye line. Eyebrows are gonna be a little bit lower. Nose is gonna be a lot further down. Mouth is gonna be a little bit closer to the nose. Ears are gonna be the way the freak up here. You're gonna see more of the head. Hairline is gonna be a lot lower. Hairline is like up here for this guy, or girl, whatever. Hairline is gonna be like a lot lower. And then, when you draw the neck, you're actually gonna come out like from the side, like their shoulders are gonna like into their face. But that is not the only thing that we can do. We can combine looking up and down with the 3/4 view. This is the part that really gets me, okay? Watch this. We start with that 3/4 view which is the eyes in the middle, the nose, and then the mouth, and then do the little cheeky things, right? But then what you can do is you can tilt it up. So you start with that same potato, but instead of doing the eye line in the middle, let's do it at the top. Now what we can do is we can do that same cheeky thing, add the eye to the side, like that, add the little boopy nose, the little cook, and then a couple little squiggles for the eyes. Then, remember with the ear, what we did, we made it lower. Since he's looking up, we go lower. Add a little extra bump to the side of that thing. And now what we can do is, instead of the chin being like that, we're gonna kind of round out the chin like that. That looks weird, but you're basically like, you're taking this type of shape and just going whoop and pushing it up, okay? So here, watch, ready? So they're looking up a little bit. That actually looks terrible. Let's try it again, looking the other way. I feel like I messed up on that. Oh man. Oh, she looks so ugly. Oh, this is the reason why I was scared to make this tutorial. I'm trying to get this information to you fast. It's hard. Okay, now looking down into the side. So you start with that potato, do a little eye line down here. Maybe a nose, I don't know, right there. Yes, gorgeous lady, gorgeous. Oh, yes, you are. Put the ear up here. Right? Oh, man. Ooh, yes. And then now she's looking down, except she looks like she's got like, she's looked like a furry or something. There. Okay, so you got looking down, looking up, looking to the side. The main points that you want to know is there's a potato, and then you got to draw the eye line. So wherever you want your eyes to go, wherever you want your face to be looking, that's where you got, this is the second step, eye line, okay? So we start with the potato. Let's say we want her to be looking up. Boom, we put her at the top, put a little eyes up here, put a little nose, put a little mouth. Ooh, yes. Oh, yes, you slayin'. You slayin'. And then ear down here. Yes. Ooh, yes. Give her a little bumpy for the back of her head, because, man, this is the shape of your head, dude. You don't even know it, but that's the freaking shape of your head from the side. You got the nose. You got your eye. You got your mouth. Little chin. That is the shape of your head. It's not like this. It's not like that. You got a little bump. You got like a huge bump. It's like basically the same length from here to here. It's weird. It's freaky, man. And then you know, you could make it. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Da 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 da. Excuse me. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed my tutorial. I honestly feel like I have something still stuck in my eye, so I'm gonna go get that out. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Can we please get that like? I want you to smash that like button. If you do, you'll have good luck for a week. A pizza will fall onto your computer. It's always like that British YouTuber who does top 10s, and they're like, I want you to smash that like button. If we could hit 30,000 likes today. Oh my god.
You actually go ahead and click the like button, it turns blue.
If we could hit that goal, you just made me like the happiest person ever, literally.
You guys to go down to that like button right now and hit it.
50 million! Smash that like button, it's right down there. I know you've seen it. What are you, blind?
Yeah, if we could get 3.5 likes, that'd be awesome. I could retire after that. You can't talk with water in your mouth. See ya.
I wouldn't say that.